Hello everyone, today I will show you how to transfer YouTube playlist to Spotify. And here's how it is done. To begin, go to your Safari and open YouTube. Once you are on your YouTube homepage, go to the search button and type any playlist from your favorite artist. For example, Chris Brown playlist. Here, you'll see a few playlists. Click any of the playlists, then add this playlist to your library by clicking the bookmark button. Once the playlist has been added to your library, click the home button. After doing this, click your profile account, scroll down, go to playlist, and look for the playlist you added to your library. Long press it and click copy. After this, open a new tab in your Safari browser and search tunemymusic.com. Once you are on the homepage, click the Let's Start option, choose your source, and click YouTube. Paste the YouTube URL that you copied earlier, then click Load from URL. Once the playlist has been loaded, click the Choose Destination option and choose Spotify as your destination. Log in to your Spotify account. Just wait for the playlist to be fully transferred to your Spotify. And that's everything you need to know about how to transfer YouTube playlists to Spotify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.